The building suffered from rocket and bomb attacks, severe destruction and looting. There is dead silence in our school now. Time seems to have stopped there. Russian rockets crushed our school and broke our hearts. They destroyed our past, but they will not take away our future. Good morning, my name is Irina Romaniuk and I'm the headmaster of secondary school number 1 in Borodya. I have been working in education for 25 years and I have been the principal of our high school for 5 years. We have raised more than one generation of children and their parents during this time. But we have not yet experienced such a disaster, such horror and the poverty the Russian tribute brought us. Our whole Borodianka is ruined. Russian troops destroyed, injured, looted and attacked our school number 1 in Borodianka. Our school has a long history and biography. It is closely connected with the history of our village Borodianka. But the terrible episode of the brutal and full-scale war that began on February 24 broke into our shared history. After our village of Borodianka was liberated, it was impossible to enter our school's premises. Everything was destroyed entirely. Everything is looted. All our past has been destroyed. Everything we lived with every day. What we put our hearts into, why we were always happy. The cynicism of the occupiers cannot be described in words because they wrote on the walls of our school to our children what they were looking for in our school. People from Bandera, Azov, and when they did not find them, they decided to destroy the building. But life in our school and our Borodianka never stopped. Children and parents always come to us and do not leave school in challenging times because they believe our school will be revived, renewed and rebuilt. Our school has a profound sports tradition, but football has always been our pride. In football, our children won Ukrainian matches and entered the national team. There were gains, but much was broken by the war. We want our childhood dreams to come true, to restore our sports traditions, and we will attribute our victory to those who will help us restore these traditions so that children can play matches, score goals, and win with pride and pleasure. We dream of restoring a modern European school. Your help will be invaluable for teachers, parents, and especially children. A new school year begins for many children. Traditionally, on September 1st, our school's new school year begins. A large school family, 618 students and their parents, came to school and were happy for this day. But this year is starting exceptionally well for us, and the safety of children is our top priority. We are also starting this year, but remotely, during the war. We believe that our school will be rebuilt, and today our school is visited by those who are not indifferent to it. Wonderful people. The Charity Foundation built Ukraine jointly, who gave us faith and hope that they will definitely restore our school. We dream of rebuilding our modern school and breathing new life into it. Of course, we cannot restore our pre-war past, but we will try to regain our beautiful future. We have an unstoppable desire to rebuild the school. We will be grateful for your help, pupils, parents, and the school team of the Building Ukraine Together Charitable Foundation. Thank you.